Hello, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into an essential but sometimes misunderstood concept: balanced meals. What are they made of, why they matter, and how you can use them every day to fuel your body, sharpen your mind, and improve your health long term. If you enjoy this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to drop any meal planning questions in the comments.
What is a balanced meal? A balanced meal gives your body all the key nutrients it needs: carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, plus water, in the right mix. The goal is to provide steady energy, support cell repair, regulate hormones, and maintain metabolic health. It's not about perfection at every moment, but about giving your body what it needs over time. One meal might lean a little heavy on carbs, another might be more protein-rich. If over a day or week you manage balance, you're winning. Health experts around the world use plate models to help us visualize balance. One popular guide divides a plate into half vegetables and fruits, a quarter whole grains or starchy foods, and a quarter protein. A drizzle of healthy fats and a glass of water complete the picture. For example, half your plate, veggies, salads, fruits. One quarter, whole grain foods like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat. One quarter, a protein source such as beans, fish, chicken, eggs, tofu. Add small amounts of healthy fat, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and drink water with the meal. You don't need to follow that exactly every time, but keeping those proportions in mind helps you stay on track naturally. What goes on the plate and why? Let's break down each component. Vegetables and fruits should make up the largest share. They deliver vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Fiber fills you up, regulates digestion, and slows sugar absorption. Whole grains and starchy foods give complex carbohydrates and sustained energy. Whole grains also supply B vitamins and fiber, unlike refined grains that can spike blood sugar. Proteins are essential for making and repairing tissues, building enzymes and hormones, and supporting brain chemicals. Good choices include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy or alternatives, beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts. Healthy fats are vital. Olive oil, nuts, seeds, avocado, and fatty fish provide essential fatty acids, support brain health, hormone balance, and nutrient absorption. Water is often the forgotten nutrient. It supports digestion, transports nutrients, regulates temperature, and keeps your brain sharp. Try to drink a glass or two with your meal and sip throughout the day. A simple guide is half vegetables and fruits, a quarter whole grains, and a quarter protein, with a drizzle of healthy fats and a glass of water to complete the meal. Getting proportions right helps you avoid overeating or undernourishing. A few quick rules. Use your palm to estimate a protein portion. Use your fist for starchy carbs. Let vegetables and fruits fill half your plate. Add healthy fats in small, measured amounts. A tablespoon of oil, a small handful of nuts. Also, think of your meals across the day. If lunch was heavier in carbs, make dinner more vegetable and protein heavy. Balance over time matters. Another tip: reduce or eliminate sugary drinks, processed snacks, and highly processed fats. They contribute calories without nutrients. Eating balanced meals consistently offers powerful benefits: stable energy and better focus. You avoid sugar crashes by choosing complex carbs, plus protein, better digestion and satiety. Fiber and volume from vegetables help keep you full weight management. You're less likely to overeat, stronger immune system. Nutrients and antioxidants support your defenses. Brain health and mood. B vitamins, omega-3s, magnesium, vitamin D, all support mental function. Chronic disease prevention. Diets rich in whole foods reduce risks of heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. In daily life, this means you'll feel less sluggish, think more clearly, recover from workouts better, and sleep more soundly. Real-life meal. Examples you can use. Here are some sample balanced meals you can try or show in your video. Grilled salmon with quinoa, steamed broccoli and carrots, and a side spinach salad with olive oil. Bean and vegetable stir-fry over brown rice with a side of sliced fruit. Veggie omelet, spinach, tomatoes, bell pepper, with whole wheat toast and avocado slices. Chicken or tofu wrapped with whole grain tortilla, lots of lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and a drizzle of hummus. For dessert or snack, fresh fruit or yogurt with nuts. These are flexible. Local foods work just as well. Use what's available. Just stick to the proportions. Start by making one balanced meal per day and gradually increase. Plan ahead. Prep snacks and vegetables to make assembling meals easier. Use color and variety. The more colorful your plate, the more micronutrients. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry. Stop when you're satisfied. Adjust based on your goals. Weight loss, muscle building, maintenance. Balanced meals are not about restriction. They're about empowerment, giving your body what it truly needs. By using simple visual rules and focusing on whole foods, you can transform your energy, mood, health, and performance. If you want a printable plate model, a 7-day balanced meal plan, or help customizing this to your local foods, I'm happy to build it. Leave a comment or message me. And don't forget to like and share if this helps you or someone you care about. Thanks for watching. Here's to eating well and living well.